You think you're lazy, right? But what if I told you? You're not. You're not broken. You're just managing productivity with the wrong strategy, and it's silently draining your energy, your time, and your confidence. Every day you wake up and say, "Today I'll be focused." But 5 minutes in, you're scrolling, multitasking, overwhelmed. It's not that you're unmotivated. You're caught in the productivity trap, relying on motivation instead of systems. The real thief? Decision fatigue. Every choice, what to wear, what to eat, what task to start, drains mental energy. By noon, your brain is exhausted from choices, not work. Solution? Create routines. Automate small decisions to save energy for the big ones. Think you're good at multitasking? You're not. Science says you lose up to 40% productivity when you switch tasks. You're not being efficient, you're just busy. Try time blocking instead. Focus on one task, one block at a time. Here's the sneaky one, dopamine addiction. Every swipe, ping, and notification gives your brain a quick hit, so you chase easy tasks, not meaningful ones. Train your brain to crave progress, not just pleasure. Productivity isn't doing more, it's doing what matters, with clarity, intention, and rhythm. Use tools, yes, but use systems that protect your time and energy. So next time you feel stuck, don't ask, "Why am I lazy?" Ask, "Where's the leak in my system?" Fix that, and you don't just get more done, you become unstoppable. Drop your biggest productivity struggle in the comments. Like if this hit home, and subscribe for more mindset shifting content.